नमस्ते बच्चों. Today we are going to start kinetic theory of gases. First, you know that ideal gases follow Charles' law, Boyle's law, and experimental evidences support these laws. Now, there is a question. Means in Boyle's law we have observed that when we apply pressure, volume of the gas decreases. Now, question may be there: why a gas behave like this, and what? And in other case, like in Charles' law, we have seen that when temperature increases, it increases the volume of the gas. So again, question is same, that why an ideal gas behave like this. So to explain these questions, we have to give a model of a gas, and that model is what? Microscopic model. Microscopic means that we have to give a picture of the particles of gas, then how these particles means atoms and molecules. We cannot see atoms and molecules, but here when we apply pressure, then we want to see that how a gas behave, how the molecules behave when pressure is applied. So to explain all the laws of kinetic, or you just think of a model is prepared that we can say kinetic, that contains different assumptions, that is taken in kinetic theory of gases. So here you see, first, the theory that attempts to explain the behavior of gases is known as kinetic theory of gases. Now this kinetic theory of gases contains the following assumptions. First, you see, gases consist of large number of identical particles called molecules. As per the definition of molecules means atoms or group of atom which can exist in free state is called molecule. So it may be monoatomic or it may be polyatomic. So gases consist, the first assumption says that all gases are made up of large number of identical particles. These can exist in free state. So these particles are called molecules. It may be monoatomic or polyatomic. Now the actual volume of molecules, actual volume means if we take an individual molecule and compare its volume with the empty spaces between them, then actual volume of molecule is very less. Here symbol is given very less to the empty spaces between them. So with the help of picture we will try to explain this. Now this is the first assumption. Now we will see the other assumptions which are in kinetic theory of gases. Assumption means it is completely hypothetical concept, but with the help of these we will explain the behavior of gases. Now here you see again the first assumption with the help of this picture, molecular picture or microscopic model. Microscopic model means it is just a mental picture of the gas, that we assume that gas is made up of such type of particles because we cannot see. here you see the first assumption says that a gas is made up of very small particles, identical particles. Identical means they are same in shape and size and mass, like that. So identical particles, this may be monoatomic or polyatomic. Since it exists in three states, so are called molecules. So these are molecules. Now the interparticle distance. Here you see, as per the first assumption, the actual volume of a molecule. If this is a molecule, what it says, the actual volume of molecule is very less in comparison of the distance between or the separation between the two particles among the particles. So this means that we can neglect the volume of the molecule. The volume of the molecule we can neglect. So kinetic theory of gases assumes the particles of gas as a point mass. As a point mass means we are showing a molecule like this. It just behaves that the gaseous particles are just point mass. Now here you see the second assumption. There is no force of attraction acting between the particles of gas at ordinary temperature and pressure. Means at normal condition of temperature and pressure, it is observed, the theory says that the particles have no force of attraction, because if force of attraction will be there, particles will occupy certain space and then the shape of the gaseous material remain fixed, but it does not happen. You know that gases do not have a fixed shape. It means that particles do not have any do not have any force of attraction. One more thing, if force of attraction will be there, then these particles will attract each other, so they can give a rigid structure, but such type of structure is not observed. This is in case of ideal gases, but here this is the assumption that the real gases do not follow this assumption. Real gases do not follow this assumption. We will discuss about the real gases after this topic. Now the third point, particles of a gas are always in constant random motion. Now what is the meaning of random motion? We will explain. Here see, during their random motion they collide with each other and with the walls of the container. So what is the meaning of this assumption? As per the assumption, the particles follow Newton's law of motion. So as per the first law, the particles are in motion, always in perpendicular motion. Perpendicular motion means नाक के सीध में, so that is called perpendicular motion, and they maintain their motion or the direction as per maintain up to when they collide with another molecule or wall of the container. When they collide with another molecule, they change their direction. But again in a straight line or perpendicular direction. So this type of motion is called random motion. During their random motion, they collide with each other and with the walls of the container. So listen, when these molecules collide with the walls of the container, here this is the wall of the container and this particle collide. Due to this collision, the gases exerts pressure. We will derive the kinetic theory of gases, kinetic equation of now here you see the fourth assumption. It says that collision of gas molecules are perfectly elastic. Now here this word, what is the meaning of this word? We will discuss. Elastic means momentum, total momentum remain conserved. Here see, it means total energy of a molecule before and after the collision remains same. When the molecules collide with each other, the velocity, their energy of the means mass is fixed, and velocity also not going to change, means total momentum it remains conserved. That is total energy you can say half mv square. Total energy before and after collision remains same. So this is the meaning of elastic, that the collisions are elastic, means particles collide with each other as well as collide with the walls of the container. So these collisions do not decrease the energy or increase the energy. Means here there may be exchange of energy during collisions, but the total kinetic energy remains same. This is very important. Means sometime when the molecules collide with each other, there may be exchange of energy. It gives energy more energy to this molecule. So here energy decreases, here energy increases, but the total kinetic energy remains same. Now here you see the fifth point. Fifth assumption says that at any particular time, different particles in the gas have different speeds and hence different kinetic energy. Now this is the second part. The distribution of speeds remains constant at a particular temperature. Now here see, this is a particular time. Here the molecules have different speeds. Let this is the molecule, let this is traveling with the velocity v1 or speed v1. Let there are and one molecules may be there, they can travel with this velocity or the speed. Let this is the another molecule, it have variable speed, like let the speed of this molecule is v2. So there may be n2 molecules. N2 is the number of moles or number of molecules which may have this v2 velocity or the speed. So at any particular time, different particles in the gas have different speeds, hence different kinetic energy. When speed will be different, kinetic energy by this formula may be different. It means, but the distribution of speed, this is very important. Distribution of speeds remains constant at a particular temperature. What is the meaning of this? That the number of molecules having certain velocity remains fixed at a constant temperature, a particular temperature. Because let this is the temperature T. At this temperature, let N1 molecules have velocity V1. It means always at this temperature, these N1 molecules have the same velocity V1. So this is, and N2 molecules have velocity V2. It means always at this particular temperature, N1 molecules have this molecular speed and N2 molecules have this molecular speed. So this is called distribution of speeds among the molecule remains constant at a particular temperature. Now we will see the last assumption. As we have seen that the molecules of ideal gas have various speeds, means different speeds, maybe V1, maybe V2. Due to that, they have various kinetic energy. So under these circumstances, we cannot take the kinetic energy of certain value. So we have to take average kinetic energy, and it is observed that average kinetic energy of the gas molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. It means absolute temperature means temperature in Kelvin. It means when we increase the temperature, the kinetic energy of the molecules also increases. Average kinetic energy also increases. So these are the assumptions, and on the basis of assumptions, we will derive the kinetic gas equation. Kinetic gas equation, or we can obtain an expression for pressure of the ideal gas.